You can now create formula-driven lattices with wall thickness that varies based on simulation results. Let's take this example. Being in disassembly, we make the connecting rod the active part and then create a formula-driven lattice. In the next step of this process, the finite element analysis results will be mapped to the Creo part and the wall thickness will vary according to the stress paths. Going to the Density tab, select Variability based on simulation. We select the folder of Creo Simulate with the results. We adjust the volume fractions, and then the resulting lattice has higher density, thicker walls, in regions of higher stress, and lower density, thinner walls, in regions of lower stress.